JVC has released a new firmware update for their 4K and 8K projectors, pretty much just to enhance the HDR performance. So today they just rolled out their new update firmware for their 4K and eShift 8K projectors. Pretty much the brand new Theater Optimizer technology that is the update is pretty much aimed to optimize projectors tone mapping brightness based on installation characteristics. It pretty much evolves the frame adaptation of the high dynamic range mode on the JVC, which was pretty much launched last year to add dynamic tone mapping ability to HDR performance. So the Theater Optimizer now allows the user to input their screen size, their gain information, which it pretty much calculates the optimum lens zoom position and the condition of the lamp settings, and adjust them accordingly to get the best brightness and color reproduction results. So pretty much this was pretty much an effort to reduce the complexity of manual adjustments that many people face. So JVC has improved the Frame Adapt HDR performance to give you increased brightness and better resolution overall while watching a movie. So the update pretty much is introduced to work in conjunction with the Panasonic DP UB9000 Ultra HD Blu-ray player, which pretty much optimizes the picture performance and give you the best 4K and 8K image that you can get. So the Theater Optimizer will be available on the NX9, the NX5, NX7, even the top of the line NX9. It will have it at as well. So you have everything that you need, and that's pretty much the news right now. Just be sure to follow us here on social media, subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.